can I get enough of this curry fish sauce, guys? I always enjoy every bit of fish, so this is how I always get it done. First, I will be adding some butter inside a pan. Then after that, I will add in the already marinated fish. So this is fish I'm going to be using for this recipe. Just let that to stir fry for 5 to 6 minutes and turn up the other side to get fried, just like that, guys. During the marinated process, I make use of black pepper and all-purpose seasoning, which is Maggie cube. So that's what I use to marinate the fish. Now the fish is fried. This is how it looks. At this point, it's already cooked and fried. I will just take it out from the pan. So over here, I will add in some chopped onion. Just stir fry that for 2 seconds. Then add in red and yellow bell pepper. So after that, take that aside. In a clean pot, add in milk and butter to get cooked for 2 minutes. Now I will be adding some cheese. So after that, I'll be adding some seasoning cubes, then adding some Maggie cube, and then I will be adding some black pepper and salt to taste. So after adding the salt, now I will just stir this together. Just let that to fry for just 1 minute, and now I will be adding the sauce. Over here is the onions and the red and yellow bell pepper. I'll just turn it over and stir that together. So just adding some spinach. All I do next is to add in the fried fish inside the sauce, and this is it. Just like this, it's ready to serve. So the fish sauce is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share. Bye bye.